clap, clap, clap your hands. Wiggle, wiggle, do a dance. Wiggle, wiggle, do a dance. Tap your toes and turn around. Jump up high, then touch the ground. Sing, sing, la la la, laugh and play, ha ha ha. Wiggle, giggle, stomp your feet. Let's have fun to this happy beat. 1, 2, 3, let's count some more. 4, 5, 6, stomp on the floor. 7, 8, 9, big high 10. Now let's clap and count again. 1, 2, 3, jump so high. 4, 5, 6, touch the sky. 7, 8, 9, spin around. 10 means we all sit down. Red like apples, blue like the sea. Yellow like sunshine shining on me. Green like leaves on a big tall tree. Colors are fun, look and see. Find something red, now something blue. Find something yellow, how about you? Touch something green, then spin around. Colors, colors all around. Woof, woof, says the puppy dog. Ribbit, ribbit, says the frog. Meow, meow, says a kitty cat. Oink, oink, now what's that? Who goes quack and swims all day? And who buzzes by and flies away? A bee who has a trunk and stomps so loud. And an elephant who purrs and curls up proud. Sing, sing, la la la, laugh and play, ha ha ha. Wiggle, giggle, stomp your feet. Let's have fun to this happy beat. A circle is round like the sun so bright. A square has corners 4 just right. A triangle's pointy with sides at 3. A rectangle's tall like a big tall tree. Make a circle with your hands. Draw a square, oh that's grand. Make a triangle big and wide. Now let's draw a star with pride. The sun shines bright, wave hello. The wind goes whoosh, now twirl so slow. Raindrops fall, pitter patter splish. Snowflakes twirl, make a wish. Jump for sunshine, twirl for the breeze. Pitter pat your hands for rain on trees. Shiver like snow, now spin so free. What's the weather? Let's all see. We sang, we danced, we had such fun. We learned a lot, extra one. Wave, great job, everyone. Wave goodbye, say see you soon. Sing again with another tune.